Jared Simpson here with MarineMax Boston, and today we're aboard a 2019 Galeon 560 Sky. This boat is equipped with a hydraulic swim platform for a jet ski or a tender. The boat also has crew quarters with access right here in the platform with a separate head compartment. Teak decking throughout, as you can see. Large L-shaped seat in the back of the boat. A large cockpit table as well. The salon door is a stainless steel frame, and it's a tri-fold door, so you can open up the salon to the cockpit area. It's an aft galley layout here on the port side with a full-size refrigerator, appliances, convection oven, additional refrigeration over here on the starboard side, storage throughout and up here in the ceiling. Moving forward, we have a large U-shaped dinette area. This also folds into a berth if you need extra sleeping quarters. This boat is equipped with a pair of Volvo diesels, bow and stern thrusters, electronic controls, very easy to maneuver for an owner-operator. Large power glass sunroof above the helm station for a little natural air, natural light. Boat is a Raymarine navigation package with two 12-inch touchscreens, radar, sounder, VHF radio, and autopilot. Moving down below, this is a 3-stateroom, 2-head layout. Up forward, we have our VIP stateroom, plenty of headroom, plenty of natural light, hull side windows. Head compartment. In this boat, we have a midship master stateroom. Full height, full beam, nice hull side windows. Ton of storage in this boat. You can use this area on the port side as an office, get ready area. These windows also open if you don't want to run the air conditioning for a little natural air. And this is your head compartment with a separate stall shower for the master. It's a great boat for long-range cruising, families, day trips. If you'd like additional information, like to see the boat, please give us a call at 781-727-0629. We look forward to hearing from you.